How to change the language on your iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you a simple way how you can change language on your iPhone. Just follow these simple steps. So first you're gonna do, you need to open up Settings, General, and here you should find Language and Region. Tap on it, and here it is on the very top, iPhone language. Tap here, and here we can select any language we need. We can scroll down and look for necessary language, or we can use search feature to find language that we need. For example, I need Russian, and now I get it. I can tap on it, and now I can tap on Change to Russian button, and this action will reboot my phone. Let's take a look. And that's it. Now you see Russian language is successfully installed. So now you can change phone to the language you want. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.